See, if you do not want to forget your original space, there is a beautiful story. Harishchandra and Chandramati. It's a very famous story in India. The story says Harishchandra and Chandramati got the boon. In the next birth, in their reincarnation, only Harishchandra will be able to recognize the Mangal Sutra hanging in the neck of Chandramati. Nobody else will be able to see. That is like the permanent reminder of their original identity. Same way I should tell, one permanent reminder I brought with me not to lose my original identity is my feeling connection and reverence to my gurus. If my gurus are telling something, I know for sure it is good for me. I'll stand by it. That is the, I can say, only reason why I become successful in getting back to my original space. So third time when I start walking, I will naturally feel heavy and want to rest. Only one meeting with my guru. Kuppamal was there and Raghupati Yogi, both of them were there, and Kuppamal said, if you do some action more and more, will you become efficient in it or not? I said, yes, surely, naturally I will become efficient. Then, how can your body become tired by walking more? It should be releasing more energy because now you have become more professional, efficient in doing that action. Because society taught you you are supposed to become tired, you become tired. I tell you, only 1 minute it took for me to click the truth to click. And I tell you, till today, that is my natural response to my body. My body's natural response to any tiredness or anything. It's not that I need to tell myself, it became my body's natural response. The actions I am performing more and more number of times means I should become more and more efficient. Naturally, that cannot tire me. Understand, philosophies are not evolved and conclusions arrived. Philosophies are evolved for the stupid conclusions you are already arrived. Listen, society already concludes if you walk more, you will become tired. So you evolve a philosophy supporting it. Oh, if you do this, you should become tired. If you do that, you should become that. Evolving powerful cognitions, making them as a first response for every situation in your life is manifesting powers. Understand, just two thought currents I wanted to share today. One, evolving more and more powerful cognitions and making them as your first response is fundamentally manifesting powers. And second thought current, listen carefully. Dealing yourself ferociously with your powerful cognitions is tapas. Don't try to handle you cutely. When there is a conflict between powerlessness and powerful cognitions, go for dealing yourself ferociously. That is all is powerfulness. That is all is powerfulness. And that's all for now. So, essence of today's session is manifest powerful cognitions about everything in your life. You are not just foodie and sexy. Understand? Anything sold associating it with food and sex is fundamentally cheating and exploiting your vulnerability. Why do you think so much sexually explicit material in the internet? Because society does not respect you anything more than foodie and sexy. Over. If you are male, you are treated as person who runs behind the sex. I should say SEXIIEE. If you are female, you are projected only as an object like SEXY. That's all. Society does not give you any respect, reverence, more than foodie and sexy. I don't know whether I am pronouncing the word foodie properly. FOODDIIE. Move out of these two reactions, you have been educated. And start manifesting powerful cognitions about everything about you. That's all is power manifestation. Consciousness breaking from its controlling thought currents and manifesting its abilities is power manifestation. So, essence of today's satsang is this too: manifest powerful cognitions and when there is a war between powerlessness and powerful cognitions, always deal it with ferociousness. No cutie pie way of dealing. No. These two are the essence. And also I wanted all of you to take up Atmamurti challenge. See, all the MSS participants and Inner Awakening grads, you are all already initiated. Now I am infusing intense energy to all of you. Call with this one Mahavakya, Chellappillai, immediately you will come. Understand? This is the Mahavakya. Chellappillai, my Swamiji, over. Simply you will come. And take up Atmamurti challenge. Many people have already received. If you have received, put the Atmamurti as your maybe DP or not as profile picture, but as a banner image. You can have Atmamurti as banner image. So, I also recommend sign up to be part of the Nityananda Sangha. So we can support you continuously to manifest powers. Let's enrich and cause humanity for superconscious breakthrough. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam Sada Shivoham, the Maha Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.